Hello everyone and welcome to Code HQ. Today we are going to talk about how to create a bottom navigation bar widget in Flutter. Bottom navigation bar is the widget that allows us to navigate between different pages. To create a bottom navigation bar widget in Flutter, we first of all need to create a stateful widget. I call it home screen. This is the place we're going to put our bottom navigation bar. Right now we have a scaffold, inside which we have a nav bar and a body. Under the body, I'm going to place my bottom navigation bar. We have a bottom navigation bar property, inside which we're going to say bottom navigation bar. This is the widget we're going to use to create our bottom navigation bar. The first property that we're going to provide is items. Items, as you see, is the list of bottom navigation bar items. I have already created a list of bottom navigation bar items at the top, so I just uncomment them. And now if I save the project, you see that our items appear right now. But if I click on them, nothing happens because we do not have an index. To check on which item we have clicked and which page are we currently displaying, we need an index. So we're going to have an index named selected index. We're going to put it inside current index. We put our selected index. And also we create an onTap property. The job of onTap is to listen to the changes on the bottom navigation bar item. For example, if you click on one of these items, it will tell the bottom navigation bar item that we have a click. For example, on the second item, there has been a click. So it gives us the index. And right now our job is to say selected index is equal to that new index. And this is the way that Flutter knows which page to display. And in order to change the screen, we need to put set state. And right now, if we save the file, we see that we show the correct option, but our screen is not changing. And it's because at the top, inside the body, we have only a center widget. So this is the actual part that we show our desired screen. And instead of displaying one screen inside this, you need to display a list of screens and determine which screen to display according to selected index. I have a list of screens at the top. These are profile screen, post screen, and settings screen. Inside my body, I say I have a list of screens, and you have to display the correct screen according to the selected index. So if I now run the project, I will display the correct screen according to the index. So I guess it was all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you in the next tutorial.